On the 18th of Dhul Hijjah in the year 10 AH, a significant event in Islamic history unfolded at a place called Ghadeer Khum. After completing his final pilgrimage, the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, stopped at this crossroads to deliver a crucial message. In front of thousands of his followers, the Prophet took the hand of Ali ibn Abi Talib and raised it high. He declared,
"Whomsoever I am the Mawla, Ali is also their Mawla."
This declaration established Ali as his successor, a pivotal moment for the Shia Muslim community. This event is known as Eidul Ghadeer, celebrated by Shia Muslims worldwide. It signifies the importance of leadership and guardianship in Islam, affirming Ali's rightful place as the leader of the Muslim Ummah. Eidul Ghadeer is a day of joy and unity, reminding Muslims of the enduring message of the Prophet at Ghadeer Khum, the importance of guidance, justice, and steadfastness in faith. Celebrate Eidul Ghadeer and remember the profound legacy of leadership and faith.